Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dealing with that sharp, radiating pain that runs from your lower back down your leg? That's sciatica, and it can be incredibly disruptive. But the good news is, you don't have to just live with it. Today, I'm going to walk you through some essential strategies and quick, effective exercises that can bring you some much-needed relief right in the comfort of your own home. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Sciatica isn't a condition itself, but a symptom of an underlying issue, like a herniated disc or bone spur pressing on the sciatic nerve. This pressure is what causes that trademark pain, tingling, or numbness. The key to relief is often to release that pressure and strengthen the supporting muscles. Gentle movement is your friend here, not your enemy. Staying inactive can actually make the pain worse. So let's get into some simple yet powerful stretches. We'll start with the reclining pigeon pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Now, gently loop your hands behind your left thigh and pull it toward your chest until you feel a comfortable stretch in your right glute and hip. Hold this for about 30 seconds, breathing deeply the entire time. Remember, it should be a stretch, not a sharp pain. Then switch sides and repeat. This stretch directly targets the piriformis muscle, which can often be tight and press on the sciatic nerve. Next up is the sitting spinal stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your foot on the outside of your left knee. Then, gently twist your upper body to the right, placing your left elbow on the outside of your right knee to help deepen the stretch. This move helps create space in your spine and relieve pressure. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling that gentle rotation in your lower back, and then switch sides. These exercises are fantastic for providing immediate relief, but consistency is what creates long-term change. Try to incorporate these gentle movements into your daily routine. If you experience any sharp pain, stop immediately. It's always a good idea to consult with a doctor or physical therapist to get a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan, especially if the pain is severe or persistent. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope these strategies help you find the relief you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Drop a comment below to let me know how these stretches work for you. Stay safe, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.